Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the zero touch deployment. Let's get started. Zero touch deployment is a modern device provisioning approach that allows organizations to set up and manage Apple devices automatically without any physical interaction from IT administrator. Using Apple Business Manager or ABM integrated with a mobile device management or MDM solutions, devices are pre-assigned to the organization and configured before they are ever turned on. When a user powers on a new Mac for the first time, the device automatically enrolls into MDM, applies company security policies, and the setup. Sorry, completes the setup based on predefined rules. This approach ensures consistent configuration, stronger security, faster deployment, and a better user experience, making zero-touch deployment ideal for organizations with remote users or large-scale device rollouts. Okay, I hope you understand what the aim of the zero-touch deployment. Zero-touch deployment is a method of setting up Apple devices such as MacBook automatically without any manual configuration by IT staff. You can imagine if you have a laptop or from company buy a laptop MacBook and this laptop will be used by employee and this employee no need setting anything. This employee can use this laptop fast. Okay, no need configuration anything because before this company have registered MBM and MDM. MBM it means Apple Business Manager and MDM it means mobile device management. Okay, you can see in here the title is zero touch deployment, and based on this image the process work as follow like this. In sorry Auto enroll to MDM at first boot, and then pre-configured setup experience, okay, such as Apple ID, iCloud, and Siri configuration. Okay, I will explain you more about the zero touch deployment starting from auto enroll to MDM at first boot. When the Mac is turned on for the first time, it automatically connects to Apple services and is enrolled into the organization's MDM mobile device management system. No IT interaction is needed. Okay, first boot. Pre-configured setup experience. During the initial setup, set up your Mac. The organization can skip certain steps such as Apple ID, you can skip this, iCloud setup, you can skip this, and Siri configuration, you can skip this. These tabs are disabled or hidden to enforce company policy and reduce setup time. Policy and configuration applied automatically. Once enrolled, the MDM automatically applies security policies, configuration profiles, required applications, restrictions, and compliance settings. Standard user with limited permission. The end user is created as a standard user, not an administrator. This ensures better security, controlled system change, compliance with corporate IT rules. Ready to use immediately. After a setup is complete, the device is fully configured and ready for work straight out of the box. Okay, it is very important for you. You need zero touch deployment and it makes your setting faster. Okay, zero touch deployment allows organization to deliver secure, compliant, and ready to use Apple devices automatically. Users simply turn on the device and everything is configured in the background via MDM with no manual IT setup required. Okay, you have to know about this information. Zero touch deployment can work only after both Apple Business Manager (MBM) and an MDM are registered and linked together. Okay, before you haven't done that, so you cannot get zero touch deployment. Okay, and the first time you need to register Apple Business Manager. ABM is required to own and manage Apple devices at the organization level. Device must be assigned to your MBM account via Apple authorized reseller or Apple directly. Okay, after you have been success registering to MBM, and the next step, go to register an MDM solution, and one of them you can choose Mozilla. We have learned Mozilla before and you can open that video. MDM is what actually enforces policies, installs app and controls the device. Okay, and then you need to link MDM with MDM. In MDM, you assign devices to your MDM server. This step is mandatory for zero touch deployment. Device is turned on for the first time. Apple activation server detect the device belongs to your MDM. The device automatically enrolls into MDM during step. This is the zero touch deployment moment. Okay, and for this summary, zero touch deployment is only possible after APM and MDM are registered, configured, and connected. Once that is done, any new Apple device will automatically enroll into MDM at first boot without IT touching the device at all. I think you understand what I am saying. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.